Heat pumps key to home electrification. Less sexy than an electric car and more obscure than solar panels, heat pumps are an energy-efficient system for replacing both a heater and air conditioner in one appliance. Washington. On a hot summer day, contractors snake wiring through the basement of a townhouse in southeast Washington to install a heat pump, a key component of the United States multi-billion-dollar push toward greater home electrification. Less sexy than an electric car and more obscure than solar panels, heat pumps are an energy-efficient system for replacing both a heater and air conditioner in one appliance. Heat pump hot water heaters also exist, and the clunky-looking machines are seen as a crucial weapon in the war to maneuver the United States into more climate-friendly habits. Common in Asia and Europe, the technology has had a slow uptake in the United States, something the White House is hoping to fix as part of a multi-billion-dollar spending and subsidies plan. Sue, who spoke as contractors drilled in a home below, told the agents she previously didn't really know much about it, despite being environmentally minded. In 2023, residences accounted for some 18% of energy-related U.S. CO2 emission, according to the Energy Information Administration, a number that less gas and greater electrification can reduce. Hoping to spur heat pump uptake, the Inflation Reduction Act, President Joe Biden's 2022 landmark climate bill, provided up to $2,000 in tax credit for those installing either type.